Hello everyone, we are starting with the dirty doormat, but we are live. Welcome to my latest place of service. I don't know. This is my house, this is my apartment. If you've seen my first apartment tour, the difference between this apartment and, well, here, let me turn the camera around. The only differences between this apartment and the old one is this is a 2-bedroom apartment. The old one had one bedroom, one bath. This is just 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and also have a dining room. I did not have a dining room in the other place. So let's get started. Alright, first walk in, and here's my living room. Now this couch, I did not have a couch in my last tour because it was kind of like an empty apartment tour, but this is the sectional that I ended up purchasing from Ace Furniture here in Columbus, and I got those pillows from Walmart, all 5 of them. I had to count them, yeah, 5. And I got this rug, this fuzzy little rug from Ace Furniture as well. And I have my lights up in here on the window. I only have them on for the sake of this video, or you know, whatever. This living room does not have an actual like natural light like my apartment in Denver. So when I am in here and I need light, I just use these, and they're just like the normal, you know, Christmas lights. And I have my TV and coffee table. Got the coffee table from Walmart. A candle that I barely light. Let's go back to the front. I just keep my shoes and stuff here because, as you can see, this is the vinyl, or I don't know what you call this part of the floor, and then that's carpet. So I prefer, if you ever come over, leave your shoes here. Life hack: I just put a thumbtack right here to hang up my keys. Call it what you want, but it's very convenient because, yeah, I'm very prone to lose my keys, and I just keep them right there. We all good. Okay, yeah, so come from the front, and then there's this little area. It's like a little nook you can see into the kitchen, but I don't know like how this is supposed to be set up. There's a light right here. Oh, that's bright. My bad. Yeah, but I don't ever really use it. I just keep some candles for the aesthetics. Half of these I cannot use anymore, but whatever. And I got some mail and stuff right here. I could put some bar stools right here, but the counter is so low, I don't really see the point. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Here is the empty dining room. Very, very spacious, but very, very empty. I love this chandelier. It's so pretty. And I wish it was in my room, but it's not, unfortunately. Can you see it? Kind of, sort of. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. And I don't think I'm gonna put any furniture in here just because it's just me, and I'm gonna move again when my lease is up in like 6 months. Well, 8 months, sorry. Yeah. Here's my balcony. And yeah, there's stuff everywhere because I do my DIY projects and stuff out here. So that's why it's not clean. But my laundry, like my washer and dryer, are in that, like behind that door. And yeah, it's just a bunch of trees, not a real view, but if you like trees, hey, great. Alright, this way is the kitchen. And everything is pretty self-explanatory. I love this little kitchen. Now this one did not come in a microwave like the last one, but that's okay because it was like $40 at Walmart. Stove, there's a lot of storage in here. A lot. And I love it because I use it all. And there's that little area you saw when I first walked in, little nook or whatever. Shit. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. I just woke up and started doing stuff. Yeah, there's another little area for storage. It's the refrigerator. And this is the living room again. So if you were to just come back through this way, you'll see this little area into the hallway. That's the closet. That's like the little vent thing. And here is my official, unofficial studio. Since I have the extra bedroom, I decided to just make this room my studio. I put lights. I have lights everywhere. My lantern lights are at the top, and then I put my white lights on the floor. And there's my little board with ideas and stuff. And my favorite part of the room is the Rat Pack picture. And I wish you could see it. The glare is kind of in the way, but hopefully you can see that. I love this photo. I was gonna like kind of decorate the whole room around this, like as a you know, like as an inspiration. But I just kind of started doing stuff, so yeah. There's a piano, gotta get a stand for that, and a keyboard. Bill Street, I just went to Memphis last week. Went to Bill Street, it was great. There's my dream catcher from Bree. This is a closet. I don't know if I should And there's not really much in there, just, well, actually there is a lot in there. And it has a light, great. I don't really need the light, but in case I did, yeah. So there's a closet. Here is my tripod chilling in the corner. Here's my board for ideas for the month. That's my modem for Wi-Fi. And here's the other side of the tables. Oh, this is a little like a candle lantern thing I got from Walmart. So cute. I should have had the candle for today. It'd be all fancy. These tables, I got the little white tables because since I will be starting a podcast, anytime I have a guest, I would like for them to sign the table. Here's my name. And there's only 2 signatures so far, one of them being my own. But sooner than later, this whole shit's gonna be filled with signatures and fun stuff. Yeah, that's really all there is to this room. I just got a bunch of stuff here because I don't even really film videos in this room. I have because it has really good lighting during the day, but for the most part, it's just here for all intents and purposes. All right, now that we are out of there, there's a little hallway. There's a light right there. That's the bathroom. Here's a closet. You just put like extra lotion and all my hygiene stuff in here. Oh yeah, my smoke detector is running out of battery life, so it keeps beeping. I don't know if you heard it, but I'm so used to it now. It's like, oh, I should put in a request for that. Here's the bathroom. A lot more spacious than the other one. I got my shower curtain from Walmart and the rugs and everything from Walmart. I got 2 sinks in here. Got that from Casey. That's me. Here's another mirror. Hi, look me in. Yeah, there's not really much to the restroom. It's just the bathroom. Again, very spacious. There's a light in the shower. Like if you turn this off, because the vent comes on when you turn on the big light. I don't know if you can hear it, but if you didn't want the big light, there's a light in there. I only use that when I shower at night. I don't use it during the day because I don't know. All right, here's my bedroom. And again, I just woke up. I wasn't gonna do all the extra stuff for this video. You know what a bed looks like when it's made up. You know what it looks like when we just got out of it. Here's more lights and my bed. And Mr. Teddy Minnie chilling over there in the cut. What up? This wall piece, this is like the only wall piece I have in this whole room. And I got this from Goodwill. And it says, do more of what makes you happy. Can't stress it enough, guys. Can't stress it enough. Here's my television. And this little cube thing I got from Walmart, and I put it together myself, so it is not actually together. I have no idea how it's still standing, but you know, knock on wood, it stays up because I'm pretty sure I didn't do that right. My Xbox is on the floor. Yeah. As far as like my comforter and stuff, Walmart. Got all of this from Walmart. That blanket included, and I have a laundry basket and another closet. Now this is the closet where there's not very much in here, but just some clothes. Like these are most of my dress clothes. I don't know how I ended up doing that, but a lot of my dress clothes and like work clothes when I was working in corporate are in that closet. But yeah, guys, that is all there is to this apartment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If I didn't mention where I got anything from, just ask and I'll let you know. But yeah, it's pretty simple, very simple. I'm like a minimalist now. We're just going back to the kitchen. I got this rug from Walmart. So cute, right? So cute. Look at these cups. I got these cups from Dollar Tree, and I made these for my nieces and my nephew. I literally just wrote their names on them. $1 a piece. Awesome. And yeah, there's a little balcony again. My empty dining room. And yeah, guys, that's it. So it's been great. You were some great company. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and it's time for you to go because I gotta go. All right, bye.